Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to master a headache. It'll even, if you're the sort of person that gets migraines and you get an inkling of when you're going to get one, I want to encourage you to do this to yourself. So this is called a vitaflex move. I'm holding up my thumb like this, right? I'm going to place my finger on the pad of my thumb like this. You can see. And I'm going to turn my hand. Now, when I touch my finger like this, I'm creating what's called piezoelectric charge. And when I bring it up onto the tip of my fingernail, I'm firing that charge. And then when I roll it over onto the back of my fingernail, I'm switching it off. So this maneuver is like an on-off switch. Pad, firing, off. Pad, firing, off. Pad, firing, off. Okay, and so if you could do this to your thumbs for 5 minutes on each thumb, and I mean it when I say 5 minutes, don't skimp, don't go 30 seconds, oh, it didn't work. Like, sit, do it for 5 minutes. Moderate pressure, I actually use my own thumb to do it as well. But the point is the roll. That's what you're aiming for, this roll. This is a zone, a mapping zone in the reflexology of vitaflex. And it's an ancient Tibetan reflexology. And these points here on our thumbs represent the points for our brain. Okay? So when we swap hands and we do both sides, then we are reflexing, we are firing and pulsing energy through the reflex point to the brain, okay, to help it reset, to just rebalance, okay. We're asking it to rebalance with this particular reflex move, all right. And another thing that you can do, which is really phenomenal, is get a drop of peppermint oil and just pop it on there. Or because your head gets quite hot, you know, when you're developing a headache, a drop of peppermint oil, and then just, you could even do all your fingers vitaflexing your head in different spots. Just vitaflexing in different spots with 1 drop of peppermint oil for 5 minutes on both thumbs and on the head if you feel you need to as well, starting at the base here, base of the head into the occiput. Okay, and I'll guarantee you, you won't get a headache. I've had people where I've been standing there doing it for them and they're going, they can feel it draining it away, going, how does that work? So it's really lovely. But when you're doing it for yourself, it takes longer. It's the act of someone doing it for you when you're in that moment of pain is soothing in and of itself. So when we have to care for ourselves, it takes us a little longer to drop into that wanting to care for ourselves place, you know, because we always try and push through, you know, just get the job done. I'm getting a headache. I just got to get it all finished and sorted. So yeah, that's a really fantastic little vitaflex tip that I would love to share with all of you guys. Stress headaches, detox headaches, any kind of migraines, anything like that. And that beautiful reflex point will ease it away. The only time it really doesn't work is if you had a headache for, I don't know, a day and a half, or you've got the migraine already. That's when you're going to find that it's not going to be 5 minutes. It's going to be like 15-minute treatment on each side of the body. So yeah. All right. Ciao for now.